Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is the third charge test update for the CMF Watch Pro. So we're coming to the end of the second battery test, and I did the first battery test charging the watch from 20% to full. So the second battery test is going to be charging, or the third battery test is going to be charging the watch from 15% to full. So I'm going to have 4 distinctive charge test videos. So the first one was 20% to full. This second one here is going to be 15% to full. The third one is going to be 10% to full. And then the fourth one is going to be 5% to full. Now, we're also going to test the watch in another way. So the first time I tested the watch, I set it up exactly the way I wanted it, and I just started using it. So that was with everything turned on. So raise to wake turned on, everything turned on, all my notifications pushing, and I got 5 days on that first initial charge. This is the second charge, right? So all I did, the major difference between the first charge and the second charge is I turned off raise to wake. So when I want to wake up the watch, I have to hit the crown button on the side to wake up the watch. That's the only thing I turned off. Everything else was left exactly the same as the first initial charge test. So for this second initial charge test, I turned off raise to wake. And the first test, I got 5 days. This second test here, we're coming up to the end of day 11, and it's almost down to 15% where we want to throw it on the charger. So you can see it right here. It's at 16% right now. So it's almost time to throw it on the charger. Now, as I did in the last charge test video, I'm going to throw up the charge times that this watch took to go from 15% to 100. So I'll throw that up in the video in post. All right, but I have officially prepped the watch for my third test, right? So for the third charge test, we're going to use the watch with always on display turned on. Now, always on display is cool because it lets you use the watch more like a traditional watch. But for this particular watch here, it's kind of not cool because all the digital watch faces, which is what I like to use, when you use always on display mode, it's military time that you're stuck using. Either you're going to use military time or you're going to use an analog clock watch face. And I absolutely hate analog clock watch faces, okay? Almost as much as I hate using military time. But I am going to have to suffer through it to do this next charge test, all right? So real quickly, I want to just show y'all how to turn this on and how to configure this. So you can see right now, my always on display is turned on, and it's 10:41. Yeah, 22 is 10 o'clock. So let's turn it on. So to turn that on, you swipe down from the top to bring up your quick toggles. Right there, you click the gear icon here. Then you want to scroll down till you see display and brightness. So we're going to tap on that, and then you would see this option right here at the bottom of the display and brightness subcategory. You're going to see AOD, or always on display. So we're going to tap on that, and then you just want to come in, pick your watch face, so you can see the watch faces they have. That's it. We're gonna go with this one. Tap on it to select it, and it's done. Then to enable it, you want to just tap on enable method, and you could turn it off by hitting close, and that turns it off. Or you can schedule what times it goes on, or you can tap on smart enable, and based on your movement, it will turn on the always on display for the watch. Okay, so that's how I have it set up. I have it set to smart enable, and that's how I have it set up. Now, just so I can show y'all better the battery percentage, let's turn this turn the display onto manual display mode. So in order to do that, hold up, I think I got a notification real quick. Yeah, y'all don't need to see that notification. It's personal stuff. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we're gonna just turn it on and then swipe back, and then swipe back again. And then up at the top here, you're gonna see two settings, right? You're gonna see one setting says screen on time. And then you're gonna see another setting says auto screen off time. So to turn on your screen on time, you just come in here and you tap on it and you enable it. And then once you enable it, it's gonna tell you enabling this will burn more battery life. Yes, we know. Hit the check to accept, and then you can change your different screen on times for the watch. So you can go as low as 5 minutes, or you can go as high as 20 minutes, right? So we're just gonna set this to 5 minutes and then hit the check. And now the screen will stay on for 5 minutes and then go off. All right, then we're gonna hit the crown to go home. And I just wanna show y'all, this is the watch face that I'm stuck using now. And let me show y'all that battery percentage. So right now we're at 16%, okay? Okay, so as I said earlier in the video, I'm going to throw up the charge time somewhere in the video so y'all can see how long the watch takes to charge from 15% to full. And yeah, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it anyway. Hope you guys and gals found it helpful. Hope everyone is having a great night out there. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one. We are out of here, everyone. Peace. Oh, this video here this evening is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 4K at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, and we are using the voice isolation feature. So please let me know what you think of the overall camera quality coming out of the Google Pixel 6a and the overall audio and video quality as well down below in the comments. As always, all you guys and gals feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please, okay? And remember, if this video piqued your interest, all my extended coverage on the CMF Watch Pro will be available down below in the video description as well. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And it will contain affiliated buy links. So if you purchase the watch using those affiliated buy links, or you purchase anything using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated links that will be available down below in the video description are like a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. All right, we are out of here. Have a good evening, everybody. I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.